So what I want to show you guys is us, as far as ROKSTEDi, assembling the new HK taller bipods, the HK P226, HK P234, and HK P242. So let's go watch us build some HK bipods.
What's kind of cool is this actually goes just right on the tube after this.
Yeah, I know. That's what I was just thinking. It's like we're actually getting more steps done here like this than what you realize, especially with the inserts, how you design them and how they came out.
Yeah.
Original bipods came back, had a warranty issue. We're upgrading it to the Gen 2 legs. It's all cleaned up, and it basically had the Gen 1 legs, so it had the old lever style original legs, and we're upgrading it to the Gen 2 legs with our latest design on the Gen 2s. It'll go out, no cost to him. Josh is over there doing our latest Gen 2 leg installs. These go on our HK line and our OG line. Just making sure fit and fitment is all dialed in. Gen 2 legs. Josh is laser etching the models, and then we'll assemble these uppers, and he'll laser etch the Picatinny attachments, and then we'll assemble the legs onto the uppers and then put the feet on.
Okay, I'll save it. I want to set the etching right now. So I have to warm it up. Sorry. It's gonna take about 30 seconds to get that thing all down like the original.
Yeah, maybe up just a smidge. So we're checking the laser etching mark there.
Looks pretty good.
Yep. It's going to laser etch the model of leg on this bipod, which is a P234. It's going to go on an HK upper.
Send it, huh?
Okay, send it.
Too large?
No, I like it.
Okay.
Here is the basically updated Gen 2 legs, man. We worked really hard, specifically Josh, tweaking these. They're basically the same as the other Gen 2, except for we changed a little bit on the internal hardware to make it more durable and as well as easier for production. And then the legs now are essentially captive, so you can't slide these collars off. Our old Gen 2 had set screws on it, and these are press fit basically, which made the product more durable and better for production. We made this one obviously a lot smaller than the other Gen 2 ones which had the set screw. And then when we put a similar style on this bottom, you weren't able to gather any leverage on it, so we added some basically leverage points or chamfering, so you can twist anywhere on the leg and lock it up. But it's nice to have that where you can grab it with gloves and torque the leg down. It doesn't take a lot of torque to torque this down, but just a nice feature we're able to do and make these changes because we're small and because we actually build a product and we don't just grab something from Alibaba or overseas and slap a logo on it. And a lot of this is through Josh's company Saturn. He machines the parts, most of the parts for these bipods, all ROKSTEDi products.
Yeah.
Alright, we're just about done for the night. And we got some more we're going to do next week. This one done, Josh?
Yeah, that was good.
That was okay. So,
all good.
Yeah. That's kind of the process. Pretty freaking cool. Pretty cool. Really like these new leg retainers on the bottom. If I haven't said that before, I'm saying it again. We do have some P234 inventory going up on the website, and then we have a lead time is still 7 to 10 days to ship, but if you order HK P234 they might go out sooner. And next week we should have the HK P242s and HK P226s. And we still have some HK S-Prones and HK Prones in stock. So we're getting there, and we got quick picks, and we're working on 4-inch rails. Fixing Cody's bipod. Again, I talked about this one earlier. It was a Gen 1, one of the original bipods we sold. Probably one we built on an all-nighter. And we warrantied it because it had a known issue. And we also did not put some Loctite on it, we discovered, and breaking it down. But now he's got brand new legs, Gen 2 legs with the updated collars, and we'll flop some rubber covers on here, and we'll be good to go. Pretty cool deal. Bipod still functions great. Lubed it up, cleaned it up, and he's back in the game.